How to send money from Monzo to another Monzo account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send money from your Monzo account to another Monzo account. So for that, just simply open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that on the search bar just search for Monzo and just simply install the application in your device. And once the application is installed in your device, just open the app and just simply log into your account. And once you're logged in into your account, you will be able to see this kind of interface in your account. So there are three ways through which you will be able to transfer the money from your Monzo account to another Monzo account. Ways to instantly send money from your Monzo account to another Monzo account if the two devices are placed nearby. So you can transfer the money through Bluetooth switched on for both the device, and you can also use nearby in your both the devices. And if you are not nearby, you can send money Monzo to Monzo payment in seconds as well using the option called Pay Someone. You can also transfer the money through a regular bank transfer from your payment screen or through a QR code. So if your devices are placed nearby, you need to simply tap on the Pay section from the bottom of the menu. And after that, you will be able to see the option called Pay Someone. Just simply tap on it. And in both your devices, just simply tap on Pay Someone nearby and tap your friend's name with the pop-up and just click on send money after selecting the amount of the money that you would want to transfer. And if you want to transfer the money through regular bank transfer, just simply click on the QR code section or the setting option from the screen. And after that, just simply click on the payment icon in the menu bar and click on request money, and you can also choose the QR code or the link option right there. And after that, just simply enter the amount or the money that you would want to transfer from your Monzo account to another Monzo account. And after that, just use your phone camera to scan the QR code and just make the payment. So these are the few ways through which you will be able to send your money from your Monzo account to another Monzo account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.